Alright guys and girls, it's Tyler with the Readyman Group. Today I'm going to talk a little bit about how to run a Fero rod properly. You would think it's intuitive, but there's actually a little bit of technique to it, so stay tuned. Okay guys, so basically what I've done, I pulled some cotton from the cottonwood tree and I've got some intercambium layer. So I know I'm going to get questions about this. The intercambium layer, if you look at a tree, it has the hard part in the middle, it has the bark on the outside, and then right in between the bark and the hard part is this stringy stuff. That is the cambium layer. When you pull it off of a dead tree like a cottonwood, it ends up being really, really good stuff to use for nesting material. Alright, so having said that, here's the fail that I constantly see when it comes to running a Fero rod. A lot of people have a tendency to hit their nesting material and knock it all over the place. And I'm going to use this back portion of this blade right here, okay? Because this one's got a little bit of coating on it. Now, if you've got a blade that has coating and you're in the field and you're kind of SOL already, you can use the very base part of the blade, but that's going to screw it up. So always try to use a nice solid 90-degree angle to get your sparks. Okay, so what I'm going to do with this, I'm going to put this cotton right here because it's fairly fast burning, right on the inside of my nest. I'm going to put this really low, and then I'm just going to pull this away. What this does is it keeps me from bonking that nest and knocking it all over all the time. So if I put this nice and close, get my sparks coming out here. Pulling on it, not quite grabbing. Let's try that again. Almost a little bit too much wind. And that is the right way to run a striker. Notice that because of the fact I wasn't hitting it, I didn't knock it out of the road. When you just pull that puppy back, it drops all those sparks right where you need it to be. Let me get rid of this real quick. Gave it a Viking funeral. Okay, that's a little quick tip on how to run a Fero rod with a knife. Alright guys, thank you for watching.